Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
गोंयांत कशी आनी काबार केल्ली आसा त्या हेजे आमी 21 जे सिरियस आमचे चार्जीस आसात. आमचो जो फर्स्ट चार्ज आसा, द फर्स्ट चार्ज इज अ मर्डर ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी. BJP सरकारान गोंयची एक डेमोक्रेटिक नॉर्म्स, डेमोक्रेटिक वॅल्यूज, डेमोक्रेटिक इन्स्टिट्यूशन्स they have destroyed. The financial bankruptcy of the state and financial emergency. When we laid down the office, the total financial liability of the state was just 7,000 crores. And during last 10 years, that figure has crossed around 27,000 crores, creating a debt of 1.75 lakhs per head. Collapse of law and order. They have completely mismanaged the law and order in the state. The criminals, the drug mafia, antisocial elements, for them, Goa is a preferred destination because they know that the entire government machinery is compromised to help the criminals. The corruption. Goa is top in the list of in India on corruption. They have compromised everything for corruption. Right from the minister to every officer and every BJP's functionaries is out to make money.
Because these charges will hang as a cloud over the elections. And after elections, if the Congress forms the government, obviously we will have to investigate these charges. It is not as though we will make the charges today and go away tomorrow. These charges will hang as a cloud over the elections, and post-elections, the new government will be obliged to investigate these charges. There are specific charges against ministers, and those ministers will be required to answer those charges.